if you want to enter or exit recovery mode on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, we have to grab our USB-C cable and connect the other part of it to laptop, because otherwise it won't work. So now let's insert it into our iPhone.
Thank you, my lord.
Great. Now we have to give a permission to trust this computer. Let's press trust. Now let's enter passcode. Great. So now, how do we enter in our recovery mode? We have to press on our volume up button, on our volume down button, and we have to hold our power button. 1, 2, 3. Now, even though your power off menu summons, we still have to hold it, and we have to hold this power button right until we will get into our recovery mode. So simply hold it. So there we are. Now we entered our recovery mode. So to exit from it, right, we have to unconnect our iPhone from computer. Then we have to press our side button once again, and let's press it until our phone will load into a classic, your standard iOS. There we are. Now let's just give it some time and we will be loaded into our standard mode. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.